Hello, my name is Hika Ito, and welcome to Bizmates Trendy News. And today's top story is traceability. More and more consumers are paying close attention to the origin of the products they buy. We want to know where these products come from. I mean, it's only natural. And that's why we now see photos of the farmers on packages of vegetables in Japanese supermarkets. Yeah. So companies are taking traceability seriously. So a particular ingredient that's received media attention is palm oil. This edible vegetable oil is used in a variety of food and non-food products, such as cookies, toothpaste, shampoo, pizza, and so on. So companies are tracing the palm oil back to the factory it came from, and even to the fields it was harvested, to make sure that the production of palm oil is environmentally friendly. So, I hope that this trend in traceability has a positive impact on the environment. Anyway, today's lesson is traceability. And traceability means the ability to track or record the original source of something. So to be able to find out where something came from, we trace it. Yeah. So in my report today, I said more companies are taking traceability seriously. Yes. And I also said some companies are now tracing the palm oil back to the factory and even back to the fields that they're harvested. Okay? So, I hope we hear more of this word in the news in the near future. Okay, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.